About this item: USB QC3.0 and DCR Flex solar panel designed with 2 output ports, 1 USB QC3.0, 5V/3A, 9V/2A, 12V/1.5A max, 1 DC charging port, 19V/1.1A max. USB port can quickly charge your smartphone, laptop, tablets, iPad, GPS, USB fan, camera or other USB devices. And the DC output also can charge small power station, ECT. Note: our solar charger can't store the electricity and we don't provide the lightning cable for electronic devices. 4% conversion efficiency. Solar panels are coated with high light transmission ETFE material, and the surface is slightly concave and convex, which increases the contact area with the sun and the conversion rate of energy. It converts 24% of solar energy into free energy in enough sunlight. Smart charging technology with built-in smart chip intelligently identifies your device and provides the best charging speed according to different devices. Perfect choice for outdoors. 20W solar panel charger equipped with 2 metal hanging holes. You can easily hang it on your backpack or a tree to get solar energy while RV camping, on off-grid trips, hiking, climbing, etc. USB QC3.0 port 0.8 to 1.3 HRS. Charge iPhone 12 Pro.